Hello everyone. Welcome back to
Check 1, 2, 3.
so this is my business rule on incident table. It is running before order 100 and on update. What I'm doing, I'm just updating the description to I am so smart. Yes, I am so smart. Okay. And as it is a before business rule, I did not to write current.update. So let me save this. So this is my incident form. Let me update this incident form. There is nothing in the description. Okay, I'm updating the category. Now let's save it. Oh my God, look at what is printed.
Oh man.
You think you are smart, but you are not. You see, in this business rule, I am printing, I am so smart, but there is one more business rule, which is using the current object here. So this is the business rule, which is printing, you think you are smart, but you are not. And this business rule is running before update, but with order 200. It means this business rule, which is of 200 order, will run after this 101. Okay, as current is a global object, that's why after this rule, a rule with order 200 is executed and it has printed the value. So what is the wrong thing I'm doing here? So the wrong thing is not using under functions and calling the functions appropriately. Every time whenever you write a business rule or any query, you have to write your code in a function and then call the functions whenever necessary, whenever needed. This is the solution to avoid such kind of mishappenings.